and well-wishers, with hearts full of joy, we welcome you to witness a milestone in the journey of an artist, the Ranga Pravesha of Ruchi Sridhar. Ranga Pravesha means to ascend the stage, the debut solo performance that marks the culmination of years of dedicated training in Bharatanatyam. Today, Ruchi steps into the spotlight to share with you not just a sequence of dance pieces referred to as Nritya Bandhas, but her love, discipline, and devotion for this timeless art. We are deeply grateful for your presence. Your applause, encouragement, and blessings will light her path as she begins this next chapter of her artistic life. We would like to begin with an invocation song by Srimati Ramya Madhusudana. We request that you remain silent during this invocation song.
ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ರಮ್ಯ. ಇಂದು ಸಂಜೆ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕ ಗಣಪತಿಯ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸೋಣ. Hello everyone, good evening. I am Ramya. Let us begin this evening by praying to Lord Ganapati, who is traditionally worshipped first to remove obstacles. Vakratunda Mahakaya Koti Surya Samaprabha Nirvikram Kuru Me Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvada Sharanu Nirage Sharanu Vinayaka Sharanu Nirage Sharanu Vinayaka Vinayaka Vidyayaka Deva Sharanu Nirage Sharanu Vinayaka Vinayaka Vidyayaka Deva Sharanu Nirage Sharanu Pashankushadara Mushikavahana Sarvalam Krutane Gajanana Pashankushadara Mushikavahana Sarvalam Krutane Gajanana Adipujita Neenu Vedavandita Neenu Modaka Priya Neenu Ganadipa Sharanu Nirage Sharanu Vinayaka Sharanu Nirage Sharanu Girija Sutanige Garikeya Salisume Pariharisu Papa Ganadipa Girija Sutanige Garikeya Salisume Pariharisu Papa Ganadipa Raktavarnanu Neenu ಲಂಬೋದರ ನೀನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸಿ ಕಾಪಾಡು ಗಣನಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ನಿನಗೆ ಶರಣು ವಿನಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ನಿನಗೆ ಶರಣು ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾನಾಯಕ ದೇವ ಶರಣು ನಿನಗೆ ಶರಣು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
I would like to now introduce my father to give a brief speech on his entire experience supporting Richie throughout this process.
Don't have the phone one. No, the phone, not the phone one. This has a plug. This doesn't have a plug.
I'm a little bit nervous. You know why? Boss is here. Namaskara and a big warm welcome to everyone here today. This is truly a special for our family. We are filled with pride and happiness as we gather to witness Ruchi's Ranga Pravesha, her first solo Bharatanatyam performance. Now let me be honest, this is not a dance show. It's the result of many years of hard work, mostly hers. Wondering if this test is for Ruchi or is it for our Guru Jayalakshmi Ravindra? We need to find out. While Ruchi was sweating through the classes, perfecting her mudras and mastering the art, I was doing my part. Sleeping in the car, sitting, watching my favorite shows, catching up with movies, and thinking should I have packed a little bit more snacks. Best part? No Wi-Fi. Means no Wi-Fi trouble. Of course, now she's performing on the stage. I realize that golden freedom is gone. Remote control is gone. It is gone to her. No, again. Okay, but jokes apart, as a parent, we had a joy of watching Ruchi grow from curious little girl into a confident and graceful young dancer. We have seen her learn, stumble, get back and keep going. While a smile most of the time and yes, few tears for those stretches got really tough. And none of this would have been possible without our Guru, Srimati Jayalakshmi Ravindra. Guru Jayalakshmi Ravindra is more than a teacher. She is a mentor, a guide, and a steady source of strength. At times, even a mind reader, especially when she tired to sneak past a tricky step. Her patience, discipline, and deep love for the art has helped Ruchi to just not learn Bharatanatyam but truly feel in its soul. We are deeply grateful for the love, attention, and rigorous training in shaping Ruchi's journey. To all our dear friends, families, and well-wishers, thank you so much for being here. Your presence means a lot, and your support and love for Ruchi makes the day even more memorable. And a very special thanks to all our guests, including Yathin and Punya, who has come from Toronto, and other people. And few people are watching live all over the world. We are so touched and made this journey to be here. We also like to thank all the families and friends.
Yeah.
And last but not least, just the housekeeping rules. We have arranged the professional photographer and videographer, and he's doing the recordings. So this will be available at later date. I would request, please, avoid using flash photography or personal video recording. This will be available at later date. And families with little children, there is a dedicated infant service room which is available. They can watch from there the show, and that is soundproof, so there's no disturbance for others. And would like to ask all the people to turn off put the cell phones in silence mode. That would be helpful. And no drinks or food inside the auditorium. And then last but least is we would like people who are coming into the program, if there is coming in between, they can just wait there and then they can join to the next piece. There will be a 15 minutes break. After that, there will be a refreshment served. So please enjoy the show. And namaskar and thanks everyone.
Good evening, everyone. Every dancer's journey is illuminated by the guiding light of their guru. I don't want to repeat a lot of things that we have already spoken, but out of my experience and the experience of a lot of other dancers, I can say confidently that it's not just the dance or the choreographies that passes down from the guru to the disciple at the time of Ranga Pravesha, but it's also the discipline, the dedication, the spirit, and being able to get closer to the culture, to the stories, and the whole lot of journey of Bharatanatyam. This evening, we are truly honored by the presence and blessings of Guru Srimati Jayalakshmi Ravindra, the founder and artistic director of Vismaya Dance Academy. With her vision, mentorship, and tireless dedication, she has nurtured Ruchi into the blossoming artist that we are going to celebrate tonight. This performance is as much a tribute to the Guru's artistry as it is a debut of the disciple, that is Ruchi. For this Ranga Pravesha, Ruchi dances to the beautifully recorded accompaniment of highly accomplished musicians whose artistry breathes life into her every step. We also acknowledge with gratitude that the orchestration of this entire musical ensemble was crafted by the Revered Sri Tirumala Srinivasan, popularly known as Chami Sir, whose mastery binds the instruments and voices into a perfect harmony. Lending her melodious voice to guide this recital is Srimati Lakshmi Varun, whose vocal presence adds depth, warmth, and devotion to the performance. On the flute is Sri Mahesh Swami, on the veena, Sri V. Gopal, on the mridangam, Sri Vinay Nagarajan, on Natuvangam and rhythm pad, Sri D.V. Prasanna Kumar. For the piece Sako Ninna Sneha, which is also a javadi, we are blessed with the soulful rendering of Srimati Mangala Ravi. Though recorded, this music forms the very heartbeat of the evening, guiding Ruchi's rhythm, elevating her expressions, and enveloping us all in the beauty of Bharatanatyam. Let us now move into the first presentation of the evening. Thank you.
Our evening opens with Pushpanjali, an offering of flowers, a prayer in movement. In this piece, Ruchi seeks the blessings of the divine, her guru, the musicians, the audience, and the stage itself. It sets the spiritual tone for the performance, transforming this hall into a sanctified space of art and devotion. Please join me in welcoming Ruchi as she begins with Pushpanjali in Raga Nata and Aditaha.
Tarita jhumta jhamtarita Tarita jhumta jhamtarita Tathivita kita kata kata tathivina Tarita jhumta jhamtarita Tathivita kita kata kata tathivina
auspicious beginning invokes the grace of Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles. The next piece, Vande Nishamaham, in Raga, Hamsadvani and Aditala, is a lyrical tribute to him. The lyrics describes Ganesha as the radiant, jewel-adorned son of Shiva, beloved of all, protector of devotees, and the one who guards the beginnings of all endeavors. Through graceful mudras and powerful rhythm, Ruchi invites his blessings for this evening and for all of us gathered here. We now arrive at the heart of this Rangapravesha or Arangetra, the Varna. In Bharatanatyam, the Varna is considered the crown jewel of the reciter. It is the longest, most challenging, and most expressive piece, a true test of a dancer's artistry. Here, the dancer brings together two worlds: Nritta, the pure dance with its intricate footwork, rhythmic precision, and graceful geometry; Abhinaya, the art of expression where stories and emotions are brought alive through the gesture, glance, and feeling. In this Varna, Sri Krishna Kamalanatho, set in Raga Riti Gaula and Aditala, Ruchi portrays the glory and the mischief of Lord Krishna. From his miraculous birth in Mathura to his playful butter thefts, from his tender love with the gopis to his heroic protection of devotees, every shade of his divinity is painted through dance. This piece is steeped in the Navarasas, the 9 emotions of Indian classical art. You will see Krishna's valor, Veera, as he defends his devotees, his mischief, Hasya, in childhood play, his compassion, Karuna, for the suffering, his righteous anger, Raudra, at injustice, and his eternal love, Shringara, that enchants all hearts. The Varna is not just performance, it is meditation in motion where devotion, bhakti, beauty, Shringara, and rhythm, Laya, flow together. As Ruchi presents this masterpiece, let us immerse ourselves in the magic of the lotus-eyed Krishna.
कमलनाथो वासुदेवः सनातनः वसुदेवात्मजः पुण्यो लीलामानुषविग्रहः श्रीकृष्णः कमलनाथो वासुदेवः सनातनः वसुदेवात्मजः पुण्यो लीलामानुषविग्रहः
तत्ति किट्ट तुम झम तत्ति किट्ट तक झक तत्ति किट्ट तक धन किट्ट तक झोनु किट्ट तक तत्ति किट्ट तुम झम तत्ति किट्ट तक झक तत्ति किट्ट तक धन किट्ट तक झोनु किट्ट तक तत्ति किट्ट तुम झम तत्ति किट्ट तक झक तत्ति किट्ट तक धन किट्ट तक झोनु किट्ट तक झगड़म झम तत्ति किट्ट तक तत्ति किट्ट तक धन किट्ट तक झोनु किट्ट तक झगड़म झम तत्ति किट्ट तक तत्ति किट्ट तक धन किट्ट तक झोनु किट्ट तक झगड़म झम तत्ति किट्ट तक तत्ति किट्ट तक धन किट्ट तक झोनु किट्ट तक झगड़म झम तत्ति किट्ट तक किट्ट तक धन किट्ट तक धन किट्ट तक झम तत्ति किट्ट तक तत्ति किट्ट तक झम किट्ट तक धन किट्ट तक झम झोनु किट्ट तक झोनु किट्ट तक झम धन किट्ट तक धन किट्ट तक तत्ति किट्ट तक धन किट्ट तक झोनु किट्ट तक धन किट्ट तक तत्ति किट्ट तक धन किट्ट तक झोनु किट्ट तक किट्ट तक धन किट्ट तक किट्ट तक
कृष्णः कमलनाथो वासुदेवः सनातनः वसुदेवात्मजः पुण्यो लीलामानुषविग्रहः श्रीकृष्णः कमलनाथो वासुदेवः सनातनः ದೇವಕಿ ನಂದನ ಶ್ರೀಶೋ ನಂದ ಗೋಪ ಪ್ರಿಯಾತ್ಮಜ ಪೂತನ ಜೀವಿತ ಶತಕ ಸುರ ಭಜನ ಗರಿ ಸ ಗಮ ಗಮ ನೀರನಿ ನೀಲಿಮ ನೀಲಿ ಸ ಗರಿ ಸ ಗಮ ಗಮ ನೀರನಿ ನೀಲಿಮ ನೀಲಿ ಸ ನೀ ಸ ಗಮ ಗಮ ಗರಿ ಸ ನಿ ಕಮಲನಾಥೋ ವಾಸುದೇವ ವಸುದೇವಾತ್ಮಜಃ ಪುಂಜೋ ಲೀಲಾಮಾನುಷವೇಗ್ರಹಃ ಷೋಡಶಸ್ತ್ರೀ ಸಹಸ್ರೇಶ ಶ್ರೀಭಂಗಿ ಮಧುರಾಕೃತಿಃ ಷೋಡಶಸ್ತ್ರೀ ಸಹಸ್ರೇಶ ಶ್ರೀಭಂಗಿ ಮಧುರಾಕೃತಿಃ ಶುಕವಾಕಾಮೃತಾಬ್ಧಿನೋ ಗೋವಿಂದೋ Panama
will have intermission for 20 minutes. Thank you. Our next item, Nadamaya Shankara, set to Hansanandi Aditala, is a luminous hymn to Lord Shiva, the cosmic dancer whose every step sustains the universe. Ruchi will depict his Nataraja form, the gentle sway of his locks, the rhythm of his damaru, the glimmer of the crescent moon. This piece reminds us that sound itself, nada, is divine, and in every beat of rhythm, Shiva dances eternally.
बिल्वभस्म प्रिया त्रिशूलधर भक्तर प्रिया बिल्वभस्म प्रिय त्रिशूलधर भक्तर प्रिया
Now we move into a lighter yet deeply expressive mood with a javelin. In Saku Ninna Sneha, set in Raga Kapi and Mishra Tala, we meet Satyabhama, one of Krishna's queens. She is the Khandita Nayika, the offended heroine. Tonight, you will see her brimming with pride and righteous indignation, for Krishna has failed to bring her the divine Parijata flowers as promised. With sharp glances, playful scolding, and hidden longing, she scolds him, declaring she has had enough of his games. Through this piece, Ruchi gives us glimpse of love in all its colors: anger, pride, passion, and affection. As all journeys must, this evening too finds its crescendo. We conclude with the vibrant Tillana in Raga Simhendra Madhyama set to Aditala. The Tillana is a joyous explosion of rhythm and geometry, a celebration of movement and energy. Its lyrics praise the eternal flame of Lord Annamalai, the one without beginning or end. With intricate footwork, radiant poses, and sparkling energy, Ruchi expresses her gratitude to the divine, to her guru, to her family, and to you all, her audience. Let us celebrate with her as she brings this special evening to a dazzling close.
Dim tom re dim dim ta na na dim ta na na dim ta na na dim tom re dim ta na na dim ta na na dim ta na na dim tom re dim ta na na dim ta na na dim ta na na tom re dim ta na na Thank you.
voice of a heroine. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, with the blessings of my Guru Srimati. Shri Jai Govinda Ji of Mandala Arts and Culture. Today is a truly special occasion as we gather here to celebrate the remarkable journey of my student. She's inside. Kumari Ruchi. On a successful completion of her Ranga Pravesha Arangetram event, and this is her first full-length solo debut of a Bharatanatyam dancer. This day is not just a performance milestone, but the culmination of years of discipline, confidence, passion, dedication, and devotion. Bharatanatyam is not merely an art form, it is spiritual path, a union of bhava, raga, tala, and natya. To reach this stage requires perseverance, as you all see, humility, and an open heart. Ruchi has shown all of this and more. From the very first adavus she practiced to the intricate jatis and deeply expressive abhinaya pieces she has mastered, she has carried forward the tradition with grace and sincerity. Today, as she takes the stage as a graduate dancer, she is not only showcasing her skills but also an ambassador carrying forward an ancient tradition that has been passed down for generations. As her teacher, I feel immense pride and joy to see her shine in front of all of you. Behind this success is also the unwavering support of her parents and family who nurtured her love for dance and stood by her through countless hours of practice. She took this event as a project and she contacted the manager, technician, and setting up meetings with them. She visioned out this event so confidently. Her confidence and maturity came from her learning of Bharatanatyam very systematically. I can say that. My heartfelt congratulations, dear Ruchi. May this Ranga Pravesha or Arangetram be the foundation for a lifelong journey in the world of Bharatanatyam. May you continue to dance with the same passion, discipline, and devotion, inspiring to others and spreading the beauty of this divine art. Let us all join together in applauding her achievement and blessing her future endeavors. Wish you all the best, Ruchi. Thank you all.
Hello everyone. I honestly cannot believe I'm standing here at the end of my Ranga Pravesha. I'm sure my sister is secretly plotting now that I've managed yet to make another whole day about me. But jokes aside, it feels like just yesterday I was fumbling through the steps of my Alaripu, hoping Jayanti wouldn't notice. First, I would like to thank my incredible dance teacher. No, Jayanti, thank you for your endless patience, for guiding me through every step, and for shaping me into the dancer I am today. You've not only taught me dance, but also discipline, dedication, and my roots, and how to express myself through the art. I'm forever grateful for that. I told myself I wasn't going to cry today, but to Amma, thank you for everything. Thank you for always handling the stress of getting me ready for performances, keeping me on track with practice, and supporting me in ways I can't even put into words. Appa, thank you for rushing straight from work to drive me to classes and performances. I know how tiring. I know how tiring that must have been, though I'm pretty sure those naps in the car made it a little bit easier. You have both supported me in countless ways, and your constant cheering and encouragement have meant the world to me. None of this would have been possible without you. To my sister Ramya, even though you're all the way in Alberta, you still managed to micromanage every aspect of my life from afar. Thank you for being my rock and my biggest cheerleader, cheering me on from afar, and for helping so much with the invitations and the brochures for today. I couldn't have pulled this off without you, though I'm sure you'll remind me for the few years to come. A huge thanks to the ACT Art Center staff, all the amazing volunteers, Akila, Somya, Neha, Sumanaka, and everyone else who helped today, as well as to all the aunties and uncles who supported us behind the scenes. Your help backstage with the guests and in so many other ways made this day possible, and I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you also to Arno for handling the lighting so beautifully and bringing this performance to life. Finally, to all of you, the audience, thank you for coming to support me today. Seeing all of you here means the world to me, and I truly could not have done this without your love and encouragement. It's honestly amazing to think about how far I've come to reach this moment. I've laughed, I've cried, I've been sore in muscles I didn't even know existed. But every bit of it has led today, and I'm so proud and thankful. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you all for being a part of this journey with me today.
So my name is Ramya Sridhar, and I've had the unpleasant honor of being Richie's older sister. I promise that this really is the last speech of the night. Thank you all for staying with us until the very end. I'll start with a very small confession. When Richie first told me that she wanted to do her Arangetram, I was probably the first one to tell her not to. I said, it's too much work, too much practice, too much stress. But if there's one thing that you need to know about my sister, is that she's never actually going to listen to me. In fact, it's a running theme in our family. I say no, she says yes, and somehow everyone ends up listening to Richie. But thank goodness that she didn't listen to me this time, because tonight, we've all witnessed something extraordinary. Growing up, I mostly knew Richie as the little sister who asked too many questions, borrowed my things without asking, and followed me around. Elder siblings in the room, I'm sure you can relate. At the time, it was mildly infuriating, but somewhere along the way, that same little sister has transformed into someone I sincerely admire. Though I've been far away for much of her journey, I've had sneak peeks into her world. My mother would often FaceTime me, sometimes while Richie was literally rehearsing in her sleep. I would watch her practice non-stop, even mid-bite during a meal. I think she somehow managed to turn chewing into a mudra. And yet, she's still the same Richie. She still calls me when she needs something, she still takes what she wants, and she still manages to take the credit too. But here's what truly sets her apart. Richie is calm under pressure. She never gets flustered, no matter how high the stakes are. She stands firmly by her values, even when it's difficult, and she's undeterred by the noise of people around her. She's always steady, always true to herself. Some people are naturally born with this kind of inner strength, and Richie is one of them. Every dancer in this room knows the hours of work, the exhaustion, and the resilience it takes to make an evening like this possible. And Richie has poured her heart into every single step. So tonight, I stand here as a proud sister, amazed that the girl who once drove me crazy has now left me and all of us in awe. Finally, Richie, congratulations. You've danced with the same calm strength and natural grace that define you in life. I'll say it once more, on record. This was all the more beautiful because you didn't listen to me. Now again, we'd like to thank some very key special people on stage tonight. May I please call Guru Srimati Jayalakshmi Ravindra to the stage for a small token of our appreciation. And now, may I also call Akila and Arnav to the stage. Thank you for your time and commitment to making this day possible. And finally, the star of the show, Richie, please come to the stage yet again. We're also incredibly proud of you. We love you. Well done. I would also like to say a sincere thank you to our photographer, Gautam Shantu, for capturing these memories, to the lighting and sound teams, and our technician for bringing the stage to life, to the stage decorators, whose work created such a beautiful setting today, to our backstage support team, Akila, Neha, Sumana, and Somya, for keeping everything running smoothly behind the curtain, and finally to the ACT Arts Center for providing us with this wonderful venue. To close, a few housekeeping notes. We kindly ask everyone to help us clear the theater promptly. Dinner will be served just outside, and our wonderful volunteers will guide you. Please remain in line. While dinner is taking place, photos will be held upstairs. Volunteers will direct you, and we ask that you strictly follow the barricades in place at the top of the stairs. These have been set up to ensure a single, clear path. Thank you all for being here and sharing your time with us today. We are truly and eternally grateful. Thank you.